If you looked at my browser history 5 years ago, it is actually embarrassing. It was how to make money online, best affiliate programs 2020, clickbank tutorial. I was suffering from something called digital obesity. I was consuming all these training, all these courses, and digesting all this strategy, but I had absolutely zero results to show for it. In my mind, I had all the knowledge, right? I was an intellectual millionaire, but financially I was broke. Why that happened? Because I was trying to be an affiliate. I was grabbing a link and trying to throw it at people on Facebook or YouTube. And if you're doing that, then please stop. You are wasting your time. The algorithm hates you and nobody trusts you. So in this video, I'm actually going to show you a specific architecture, if you will, that changed everything for me. All right. And this is not a get rich quick scheme. This is not a fast cash strategy. This is boring. This is logical. This is introvert friendly if you hate showing your face on YouTube or on camera. So I'm going to show you a machine that takes all of these into account and show you how to make money without being glued to your phone 24/7. So I'm going to draw the blueprint. So make sure you take notes here. Okay, so this is a diagram that I created here so that you understand what amateurs do, what beginners do. Here's what they do. So they go and find an offer. Okay, maybe they find something from Warrior Plus that is a generic make money offer type. Now they grab their affiliate link, they get their affiliate link, and they go ahead and spam their links, right? They go to various Facebook groups, right? People still do this. They still go to these Facebook groups. They still go and, just upload some random TikTok AI generated videos, and they send all those traffic that they receive. Even if they're receiving, they send all of those traffic to the sales page directly. And here is the math why it fails. I think the ink is a little big, so let me just make it a little more smaller. All right. So here's the math. On average, the conversion rate, right? The conversion rate is about 1% to 2% on cold traffic. That means if you work your butt off and send 100 people to your affiliate link to that sales page, 98, like let's just take 2%, the best case scenario, 98 of them will simply leave. And maybe 2 of them purchase your product. And even if that is the case, then they might be purchasing because the sales page is a little hypey and it is a low ticket offer, low $7 to $70 offer. So all that work you do, that measly $17, $27 does not justify your efforts to get all those traffic into your affiliate link. Now let's take a look at the pro setup here. Okay, and this is what I call automated affiliate machine. We never ever send traffic directly to sales page. If you're doing that, please stop doing that. We instead send traffic, right? Let's just say this is traffic. We send traffic to something called a system, right? The system is the automated affiliate machine. So we send it to a system and system does the job for us. So what is system, right? It consists of 3 parts. Let me just go ahead here. So part one is a squeeze page. This is a page where you capture the email address. In my thinking, I don't want a sale yet. I want the email from here. Why? Because if I get the email, I can sell to you today, tomorrow, and next week. My conversion rate goes from 2% to 100% because I own the lead now. Now, let's talk about the part 2, right? And part 2 is the bridge. And this is where most people mess up. What 99% of marketers who understand they need to build a list does is they simply just capture the email and they send to the sales page. And that is wrong too. You need the bridge page here. This is a simple page, right? This is a simple page where maybe a text or maybe you have a video in here that say, hey, check your inbox, I sent you the free guide, but while you are here, please check this offer or, please check this exact tool that I used to get results. And you place a button here, place a link here. That sends people to the sales page, right? And that is the part 3. That is the part 3 here. So part 3 is the offer. So people go to the part 1, part 2, and as I said, they go to part 3, that is your offer. And by the time they are at this place on your offer on the sales page, they are not cold traffic anymore. They are warm traffic because now they know you at least a little bit more than they did before. And if you do a good job of it, your conversion rate, right? Your conversion rate increases and most people will be buying from you, right? Whereas the previous one was 1% to 2%, right? This will straight increase to 20% and plus. And since now you have the email list here, right? Since now you have the email list here, as I said, you can pitch to them, you can sell to them today, tomorrow, next week, next year, as long as they are subscribed to your email list. Now, let me show you the real world example. Okay. So this is the funnel, the machine, the automated affiliate machine that I created in here, right? It's simple. We call it funnel and you might already be aware of it, but still you are struggling. So make sure you take a look at this. Okay. So again, I use system.io. This is a completely free tool. I pay for it because I have multiple funnels, but for you, for 3 funnels, it's completely free, right? You can do email marketing, everything in this one place. You don't have to pay for ClickFunnels or Thrive Architect like we did before. So anyway, we will stay on the topic and let me just show you a funnel step here. All right. So this is an example of an opt-in page. And here I am promoting my own offer. You can simply replace it with your affiliate offer. And I took the headline or the general gist of that offer into the opt-in page here. And I also created a lead magnet for it. But anyway, let's focus on the opt-in page right here. And if you see this opt-in page, this quiz page here, you will notice how simple it is, right? It's simple, free training, right? I am promising a value here. I'm promising a free training here. And it will show them the step-by-step method to make your first $1,000 in affiliate marketing. No audience, no email is needed, and few bullet points that targets their pain points, right? The number one reason beginners fail and how to solve it. I show that in the video. How to get buyer intent traffic without an audience. I show them that. The clear fast path to your first affiliate commission. So a beginner, if they come to this page, they will most likely convert. They will click on this get instant access now, since this is free training, and they will go ahead and enter their email address in here. All right. Now let's check the bridge page here. Okay, so this is the bridge page, the page where you deliver the value. So they simply go to this funnel step in here. By the way, you might be wondering why there is an extra step in here, which I will explain. So wait for it, right? So this is the part 2, this is the bridge, and this is the page where I give them the free training, a 2-minute video. And here you can enter the text as well. That's perfectly fine, but it should do the job of getting their curiosity high and click this button to check out that offer. All right. So in here, I explain the launch gigging process and how it will help them making their first affiliate commission and such. This is my own offer called buyer wave method, and it is actually a very good offer. So once they watch the video, they will understand the process, they will understand the strategy. And if they want to implement this, they need to click this button, which will take them to the sales page, or in your case, the affiliate link, affiliate sales page, where when that person purchases, you will make the commission. And in this bridge page also, look at it, there is no menu, there is nothing. It's very, very simple, right? A simple headline, here's your free training, the video, and just a simple call to action. Ready to implement this? Get the complete A to Z system. They check this out, they get curious, and if the sales page does the job, they will buy it. All right. Now let's talk about this thank you page in here. Now this was something that I was testing right now because a few people were entering, fake email address just to get access to the lead magnet. So I simply created this page. So whenever they enter their email address, they go to this page in here and it says, thank you for signing up. Please check your inbox and spam folder for an email from me. So instead of giving them it directly, I am forcing them to go and open their email address, right? So I have added this here. Didn't use your real email? You cheeky. Go back and enter your real email to access it. So now they have no choice but to go back and enter. Right? So you can implement that as well if you want. This is just a test that I'm implementing. And by the way, this is a proven page, right? I have added this recently. Before that, there was only 2 steps. That is the opt-in page and the bridge page, and it takes them to the offer, right? And this actually made me money. And I have covered that in my affiliate commission engine course, where I did a live case study showcasing this. So yeah, this is not just a theory. This is actually a proven strategy. And now, I will show you the email sequence. That is what I'm going to discuss here. But a lot of beginners don't know this. So it's simple, right? Why is this an automated affiliate machine? So whenever someone enters their email address, all these things happen right, with that guy who entered this email list. But one thing happened behind the scenes, that is these emails will be stored onto your list, and we call this an email list. And when these people enter, right, this list, they will be sent a series of email sequences, right? It could be 5 emails, 7 emails, 21 emails. People go crazy, even put 60 follow-up emails, but I generally go from 7 to maybe 14 emails if I really like the offer that I'm promoting. So these emails go daily. First one goes immediately, second one is going day 2, day 3, things like that, right? And these emails, one way or another, sell that offer with various angles, right? It taps into their pain points, it shows them the benefits, it shows them the results that they might get, right? And let me show you the email sequence as well that made me sales, right? So if I go to my campaigns in here, I think I actually deleted that email sequence from here because I was doing something else. But anyway, I will actually show you one of the email sequence, one of the funnels that I'm actually providing in automated affiliate machine that I actually sell. But this is what it says, right? Simple. Your blueprint is inside here. I will deliver the lead magnet. Then I start targeting the pain points. I start attacking these people with different pain points, benefits, as I said, right? So let's take a look at the second email. So this is a template that I'm giving away in my automated affiliate machine. But anyway, this is the second email that they will receive the next day. That is, why it feels so hard. Great subject line. Do you ever feel like you're working harder than everyone else but seeing less results? There is a reason for that. The affiliate game is rigged against newbies, which is kind of true. The industry wants you to be confused. They want you to buy 10 different software tools, pay for it monthly. They want you to think you need a complete complex 7-step funnel. That is how you make their money. But complexity is the enemy of execution. And as you can see, this really flows well. And in the end, I sell an offer here called automated affiliate commission. Oh, sorry, automated commission system, something like that, right? And this goes on for 7 days in here, as I showed in the diagram in here, right? This goes on for 7 days, trying to sell that offer which they were interested in the first place because of the lead magnet. And if they buy in those 7 days, you made affiliate commission. You had 7 chances, different endpoints. Let me talk about the endpoints as well, right? So on an average, a person takes 21 days or 21 contacts of an offer to actually go ahead and buy it, right? And my email sequences, my funnel actually is designed to convert that, right? So when they enter their email address, they are asking for the free training, that lead magnet that you're providing, right? It could be a PDF document, it could be a checklist, it could be video training, whatever, right? In this funnel case, in this funnel that I showed you, mine was a video, a simple 1-2 minute video, right? So they watch this video and there is a button, and that button takes them to the offer. Okay, so that is a lead magnet. Now I also give them some free gifts, which is the PDF, which is another version of that lead magnet that also sends them to that offer. Okay, now emails start, right? 7 emails. So these are 7 different emails, 7 endpoints that connect, 7, 8, 9. So 9 different touch points to that sales page. They are exposed multiple times about that offer. So if they are to buy, 7 days are enough and they are going to buy that. And especially if it is a low ticket offer, right? Which it is around $7 to $27, right? $7. These touch points are enough to convince them to buy it, and you making affiliate commissions. Do you understand what I'm talking about here? I hope you do. I hope you are taking notes. Now, there is a problem, right? There is another problem that arises. Now, you all know this, right? Mostly a lot of affiliates here knows about the funnel, knows about all this theory in here. But when it's time to take action, they don't know what to write on their squeeze page, how to design, how to create the landing pages, what to write, on their emails so that customers actually, so that people, the leads actually take action and go ahead and buy and make affiliate commission for them, right? They don't have idea about the lead magnet they need to create, whether they should create a PDF, right? Even if AI is a thing now, right, people still struggle to create actually good PDFs to give away. When I started, I didn't have the luxury of AI, and I struggled for weeks to figure this out. Like it took me like 3 weeks, like close to a month, to figure that out. And honestly, this is the period like most people who start affiliate marketing simply quit. They get stuck on this thing called tech, right? You get stuck connecting the domain, you get stuck writing these emails here, configuring these emails, and then what you'd go is you go back to something called digital obesity that I talked about in the initial phase of this video. And what is this? Watching videos, watching training instead of doing anything, right? And then you go ahead, quit affiliate marketing, and then go ahead and start drop shipping. Oh, this looks cool. You just need to send people directly from AliExpress to their house, right? But there's a lot of tech stuff there as well. You need to go and build a Shopify website that converts, or a WooCommerce, set up the payments, run Facebook ads if you don't have any organic channels, right? And then they go, oh no, I think we are going to do the Facebook or Amazon merch thing, right? Amazon associates thing or something like that. And they just jump from 1, 2, 3, 4 different strategies that they never make a dime. I absolutely love affiliate marketing because there is no inventory, there is nothing, no support that you need to do. You just need to sell, collect affiliate commission that gets sent to your bank account. That's it. But you need to know how to sell properly, even if you're shy. So to solve this problem of the overwhelming tech, right, I have did something. I actually built it out for you. And as I said, I have called it automated affiliate machine, right? And here is how it works. If you want this, then please take a look. Here is how it works. You don't build anything. There is no building required, only swapping your affiliate links. That's it. You click one link. You click one, I will give you a system share link. So you click that link, and with that link, you will have imported the funnels, right? The emails, the lead magnets. I show you how to, edit my lead magnets as well. All of them are highly designed to sell a particular affiliate offer. All right. And I give you 3 of them, 3 lead magnets, 3 funnels, 3 email sequence designed to promote 3 different affiliate offers. And those offers are actually good. They convert very well, and the content inside is great, very trustworthy, right? So the emails are written, the funnels are done, the lead magnets are done. So now you can finally focus on the money making activity, right? This is what you need to do, money making activity, and that is to get traffic, get eyeballs to your page, your opt-in page, your squeeze page, which is already built in, right? The funnel, the emails, everything is done. You don't need to do anything. You just need to focus on getting that traffic, right? You can take whatever that you learn from this video. You can model my funnel as I shown in the video here. You can use the next 3 weeks and go ahead and build it out yourself, which is fine, right? Or you can click the link in the description and grab my setup for extremely low price actually, and have the money making machine live in about 15 minutes. That's it. And by the way, I have also included a case study that shows you how exactly I reach $100 per day. From scratch, building those things. You don't need to build it, but you can watch me build it, and then you can watch me drive traffic to it, and I reach multiple $100 days. So there is a proof and execution edition as well. So you can click the link in the description, read the sales page. It is very small rate, like barely take 5 minutes. And if you want, you can get it. If you don't, you can go ahead, build it, use it, and actually start the pro way to do affiliate marketing and make some commissions. If any questions, let me know in the comment section. I'm Abhi, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.